Hi, thanks for watching this video from Dubber Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have a 2012 on a 62 plate Skoda Yeti. So this is a 2 litre TDI. It is the 4-wheel drive version. It's got good service history with it, and it's recently had a cambelt and water pump change, which is important on these. So finished in Riviera blue. Really nice spec on this one. It's got nicer alloys. It's got the electric folding mirrors with puddle lights. Got privacy glass. It's got parking sensors with display, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, heated seats, full leather, detachable tow bar, phone prep. You can stream your music from your phone as well. So these are really practical. The seats just tilt forward very easily to make a lot of space like a van, and they also pull out completely. All the details of the spec etc will be on the advert. Videos really just to give you an idea of what the bodywork's like. We do take all our videos in LED lights, so they do show any imperfections and blemishes which you'd probably not normally see. So full electric windows on this one, auto lights, interior is nice and clean and well presented. Just look at the bolster. And there we go. As with all of our cars, if you want any more information or any more photos, or you'd like to arrange a viewing or a test drive, we do viewings by appointment, so just drop us an email or give us a ring. Thanks for watching.